What's up guys, hope you all are doing fine. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a car out of cardboard in 10 minutes. We need some cardboard boxes. I have taped 3 boxes over here. We need tape. We need some scissors, some paper, any color you like. I have chosen blue. A couple of pencils and a black sketch pen, and also the wheelbase of a car like this one. To start off, we need the scissors, the tape, the 3 cardboard boxes and the wheelbase. Now we have to tape the wheelbase to the 3 boxes, which is the body of the car. Now we have to take the paper and cut it out in the shape of each of the car's body panels. Once that is done, we have to tape it onto the part of the car which we have made it for. I'm using a scale this time so that it fits perfectly into the body panel. The camera suddenly stopped recording, so I missed some of the film, but I hadn't done much in that part. I had just put some papers on the body panel part. Also, I had used masking tape for the side of the car because putting the papers would take a long time. I had also drawn on the masking tape the door handles and the fuel box, and also the grill and the headlights in the front. To make the windows, we need very thin pieces of tape, like that one. And we have to do the same for the other side of the car also. And now if you want, you can add some more details to the car. I'm not. So the car is done now. The red car is also another car that I had made earlier.